I want to show you how with our hands, with gestures, we can give our words meaning using the 12 thought forms. 12 thought forms, Eva Wadelia, based on the work of Otto Lasker. So the first thought form, we can call it stakeholders ecosystem, or we could also say wholes and parts. So what you see here is one whole, and I'm doing this with my right hand, one whole, and this one whole has single parts in it, whole and parts. We could also say it's a whole, a big one, and different parts in it. So the big one and small circles in it. We could also say this is the center, and there are elements around it. And then there is the whole, but then there is a center, and various elements and the frame around the whole. So these are various things how you can symbolize that you are really seeing a whole and parts. And also you can offer your client when he is talking to you or she is talking to you, is it what you're saying that this is the whole and these are the parts? And then they can pick up what you said and correct it or use their hands to find other better metaphors maybe.